You guys have done really good. We're going to end our lesson today with just a quick review for our test tomorrow on polynomial operations, okay? Jackie, could I have you read our standard for today, please?
Understand that polynomials form a system analogous to the integers, namely they are closed under the operations of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Add, subtract, and multiply polynomials.
Perfect, thank you so much. Maria, could you read our objective for today?
Students will be able to collaboratively review and apply their understanding of polynomials, classification, and operations, addition, subtraction, and multiplication using mathematical vocabulary and problem-solving strategies during a competitive game format.
Okay, awesome. So let's find out what competitive game we're playing today. Jeopardy. Okay, guys. So let's see. Let's meet our contestants. Obviously, I'm your host today, Ms. Lopez. So let's go ahead and meet our first team. We have team 1, we have Amanda, Devesh, and Jacqueline. In team 2, we have Maria, Hui, and Amelia. And in team 3, we have Antonio, Aaron, and Madison. And last but not least, in team 4, we have Kieran and Vivian. Okay, I have them up here. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a second. Go ahead and get into your teams. If you look right here, I have team 1 here, team 2 here, 3 and 4. You guys are gonna be at the same table because my team 4 is only 2 of you. Okay. So as you guys are getting into teams, I'm gonna come by and I'm gonna pass out some materials. Okay, so every team should have a whiteboard, a marker, and an eraser. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, so before we get started, we're just going to go over some quick rules to our game. Okay, so the group who gets the correct answer will pick the next category and the point value. I will read the full question before you buzz in. You must write your answer down on your whiteboard. If your answer is not written down, you will not get the points. So there's going to be different roles. We'll talk about this in a second, but the runner is going to take the whiteboard to your buzzer. The first group to hit the buzzer answers the question. If they're wrong, another team can steal. And you must say your final answer in the format of what is a polynomial. That was just me then, okay? So even if you guys get the right answer, if you forget to say what is, you won't get the point, okay? Because we're playing Jeopardy and it's fun. Okay, so our team rules. We have a writer, so you're in charge of doing the math on the whiteboard for your team. You have the runner. Your job is to get the whiteboard to the buzzer the fastest. And then the buzzer will press the buzzer and give us the final answer. We will be rotating each round, so you'll get a chance to do each roll. For my team 4 over here, it's only 2 of you guys, so obviously my writer and my runner, you're doing the same thing, because one of you will be a buzzer and the other one will be writing and taking the whiteboard out. So before we get in there, send one person in your team up here to the front to be our lovely buzzers. So go ahead. You're switching roles, so everyone's gonna get a chance. So remember, when I read the question, as soon as you see the question go up, you can start your math, but you cannot buzz in until I'm fully finished. So even if you know the answer, and even if you know the answer, but your whiteboard's not there yet, you can't buzz in, okay? So yes.
Are we allowed to start writing before you finish?
Yes, the writing is fine, the buzzing can't happen before I finish. If you buzz in and I haven't finished, you will be disqualified from the round. Yes.
On the whiteboard, can we write the answer only, or do we need to show?
No, you don't need. Oh, the word?
Do we need to show word?
I mean, if you can do it without, that's really fine. Whatever you do. And then don't forget, when you give your final answer, what do we have to say?
What is?
Okay, do you have any questions before we get started? Because I can see who buzzed in first, so we know. So it's legit. Okay, guys, and then just a quick reminder. When we're doing these categories here, classify that polynomial, I'm looking for you guys to use the mathematical language that we've been practicing in class. So when we're talking about anything with like 0 degree, 1 degree, 2nd degree, 3rd degree, I'm looking for like quadratic, cubic, linear, constant. And when we're classifying by terms, I'm looking for monomial, binomial, trinomial, okay? So we want to make sure we're using the correct language when we're giving the answer. And then as for our other ones over there, our other categories, just make sure your final answer is in standard form, okay?
I have a question.
Yes.
How do you determine who's choosing which category?
Oh, okay, so I'm going to let group 4 just pick my first one because it's only 2 of you. And then from there, whoever gets the answer right, you'll choose our next one and put my value.